Domain 3 Summary. Portfolio Performance Management. Portfolio performance management represents the operational heartbeat of the portfolio. It is where strategy becomes measurable results. This domain focuses on how the portfolio is initiated, monitored, balanced, and optimized over time. The objective is not to manage individual projects. The objective is to manage the aggregate performance of all portfolio components. Portfolio performance begins only after governance has authorized the portfolio structure. Once activated, components are no longer viewed independently. They are evaluated collectively based on value, risk, capacity, and strategic contribution. A defining feature of this domain is continuous monitoring. Performance is not assessed once. It is measured, consolidated, analyzed, and reported on an ongoing basis. Metrics play a central role. Both quantitative and qualitative indicators are used. Financial returns, resource utilization, strategic alignment, and risk exposure are all monitored together. Performance data is aggregated from portfolio components. This aggregation enables leadership to see trends. It also reveals imbalances that may not be visible at the component level. Another key theme is balance. A high-performing portfolio is not the one with the most components. It is the one with the right mix of components, sequenced correctly within capacity limits. When performance gaps appear, action is required. Issues are analyzed. Recommendations are developed. Escalation follows defined governance paths. Change is expected in this domain. Market shifts, regulatory changes, and internal constraints all influence performance. Portfolio performance management ensures that change improves alignment rather than eroding it. Finally, this domain emphasizes accountability and traceability. Decisions, approvals, prioritizations, and adjustments are documented. This ensures compliance and enables learning across portfolio cycles. Portfolio performance management closes the loop between strategy, execution, and realized value. Eco-task integration. How Domain 3 works in practice. The eco-tasks in Domain 3 describe how portfolio performance is actively managed. They follow a logical and repeatable flow. The process begins by initiating the portfolio. Using the approved roadmap and supporting artifacts, components are formally activated. This confirms authority, structure, and readiness. Next, performance data is collected and consolidated. Metrics defined by governance are gathered from all active components. This creates a single, integrated view of portfolio health. Monitoring then becomes continuous. Dashboards, reports, conversations, and audits are used together. The goal is to detect issues early and maintain strategic alignment. When issues arise, they are not handled informally. They are analyzed and escalated. Recommendations are communicated to the appropriate decision-makers. Change management follows. Portfolio changes are evaluated holistically. Approved changes improve performance while preserving strategic intent. Balancing and prioritization are recurring activities. Components are compared using established criteria. Resources are shifted to optimize value delivery. Capacity analysis strengthens this process. Supply and demand data is reviewed. Scenario analysis is applied to test alternatives. As performance conditions evolve, roadmaps are updated. Sequencing is adjusted. Resource allocations are refined. Aggregated performance results are then measured against strategic goals. This confirms whether the portfolio is delivering what the organization intended. Finally, records are maintained. Approvals, prioritizations, and decisions are captured. This ensures compliance and supports future portfolio cycles. Together, these tasks describe a disciplined, executive-level approach to portfolio performance. They reinforce that success is achieved through integration, not isolated optimization.